Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review mcaffeine Choco and Shea Body Butter. This is available for one trial point on the smytten application in the trial section. Quantity is 30 gram. This is non-sponsored video. This product is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon and on the smytten application too. Let's see what it claims. Deep moisturization, reduces the stretch marks, heals the dry skin. Enriched with the cocoa butter. Cocoa butter moisturizes and nourishes the skin, relieves the stretch marks and scars. Second ingredient is caffeine. It tones the skin. Third ingredient is argan oil. It hydrates and adds healthy glow. Fourth ingredient is caramel. It improves the skin texture, makes the skin supple. It claims that it nourishes or moisturizes the skin for 72 hours. Easy absorption. Animal test free. Vegan. Paraben free. Dermatologically tested. FDA approved. SLS free. Silicone free. Made safe. Made in India. How to use. Scoop out a spoonful of Choco Body Butter and apply gently. Massage all over the body, especially the legs, arms, elbows, knees, and dry areas. Massage body butter till it gets sink in and you are done. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. I had exhausted the whole product now and now giving the review. It suits me well. No irritation, no breakouts. Nourishes for 3 to 4 hours only. Not longer duration nourishment as they claimed 72 hours. Moisturization. Need lot of quantity. It's way too thick. Didn't spread easily while massaging. That's why needed lot of quantity. Within a month, I had exhausted the whole product. Nearly 30 gram of product they provided. I had used this in October to November in the Diwali season. It contains a overwhelming fragrance of the choco and the shea. Whenever I applied this product, the other members started to ask who bought the chocolate. But fragrance wasn't weird or annoying. Okay, fragrance. I didn't had a problem with the fragrance. It gets sink into the skin very easily. Matte formula, not oily or greasy. Very comfortable to use. I liked, but the moisturization should be quiet for longer duration. In winters, 3 to 4 hours moisturization is not that enough. You can also give it a try. If you have also tried the same product, then you can share your review in the comment section below. I will definitely like to know your thoughts. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.